Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a heart-shaped cake at home. First, gather all your ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll need a 9-inch round cake pan and an 8-inch square pan. Grease and flour both pans thoroughly to prevent sticking. This simple preparation ensures your cake bakes perfectly and releases easily, setting you up for success right from the start. Now let's get baking. Prepare your favorite cake batter, whether from scratch or a mix, ensuring it's smooth and lump-free. Carefully pour the batter evenly into both your prepared round and square pans. Place them in the preheated oven and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. Test for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your cakes are ready. Let them cool completely before the next step. This is where the magic happens. Once your cakes are completely cool, carefully cut the round cake exactly in half, creating 2 perfect semicircles. Next, take your square cake and place it on your serving platter or cake board, orienting it like a diamond. Now, position each semicircle against 2 adjacent sides of the square cake. This clever arrangement instantly forms the classic heart shape, ready for frosting. Finally, it's time to make your heart cake beautiful. Start by applying a thin crumb coat of frosting all over the assembled cake. This seals in any loose crumbs, giving you a smooth finish. Chill the cake for about 15 minutes to set the crumb coat. Then, apply your final, thicker layer of frosting. Get creative with decorations like sprinkles, fresh berries, or edible flowers to make your homemade heart cake truly special.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.